So the next is 1000. Hi guys, so today I'm going to review all the fragrances that I own, from body mist to EDPs to Itar, and yeah, let's get into the video. So before getting into it, I need to tell you what my preference is, what my taste is in fragrances. So it's basically more of fresh, citrusy, and sometimes warm during winter, like warm vanilla and gourmet scents. So starting with the body mist, it's the most complimented, and it's into the night, and this has more of like party or like heavy look. Okay, with that you can pair it, and if it's night party or some special occasion, you're wearing a heavy gown or sari, or like, you know, really shiny and shimmery and gaudy, so you can go with this. And you know, it's a mix of fruity, floral, gourmet and amber crystals, and its notes are raspberry noir, amber crystals, velvety rose petals, creamy patchouli and mocha musk. So the next is 1000. So the next one is also from Bath and Body Works, and it's 1000 wishes. This is the first body mist that I got, and it is girly, okay, but it is also the best seller. Okay, this and this are the best seller of this Bath and Body Works, and also this I got the best sellers for the first time. Like ये बाद में मैंने मंगाया था. First I got these two, and another strawberry champagne it was. So the notes of this 1000 wishes are top notes of star fruit and golden quince, mid notes of crystal peonies and purple freesia, dry notes of gilded amber, almond creme, sugared sandalwood, velvet musk. Okay, so in short, it is more of really girlish. Okay, it is kind of sweet and citrusy. Okay, in short, this is really pretty smell, really sweet smell, not sweet in a very cheap perfumes, but it's in a good sense of sweet. Okay, so the next is In the Stars, and this is also from Bath and Body Works, and it is more of like high school girly smell. Personally, I don't like this very much. Yeah, it's good, and many of my friends were a fan of it. Like, I usually used to wear like on a daily basis in hostel, and all my friends were like, oh my god, which perfume is this? Personally, it's not my taste, but yeah, it has top notes of tangerine, middle notes of sandalwood and starflower, base notes of white oud, amber and musk. Okay, so when the smell settles, that is the base note, and it leaves with, you know, kind of musky and bold smell. Okay, but you know, when you first apply it, that is the top notes. So it has like kind of citrusy and tangerine smell, but not like proper fresh citrus. Finally, this is the last from Bath and Body Works, and it is Gingham. I've heard this Gingham series, Gingham, I don't really know, maybe it's Gingham or it is in the blue variant, you know. They have, this is in pink and green and yellow also, and red. The red one is like Gingham Love, and the pink one is, I don't know, they have really different names. So this is really good. This is very fresh smell, like the one I was looking for, and yeah, really good. If you are into fresh smells and, you know, kind of not proper citrusy, but this is the clean girl scent. Okay, this is the clean girl. Body mist, I have another one from Victoria's Secret, and it is from their limited edition series, Autumn Shore. It's good, and it's more of into winter smell, because it smells really warm, more of like what, burnt marshmallow, vanilla. Yeah, actually I have a candle from Bath and Body Works in the same exact same fragrance, marshmallow fireside, I guess. Yeah, talking about the notes, it has notes of warm spices, gourmand elements like vanilla or coffee, and hints of fruity or floral scents. Yeah, it does has some a little hint of coffee, and yeah, it is warm. It's like you just stepped out of a bakery. The next one is also from Victoria's Secret, and it is in sunrise waves, like sunrise waves. Wow. But you know what? This is exact. I have the exact dupe of this, and I did not know. And this costed me for like what, 1,000. Yeah, and that the dupe I got for like what, 200, 250 or 300. Yeah, something like that. And oh my god, that stays more, that the dupe stays more. And ऐसा होता भी है, like most of the time high end perfumes don't really last long, even though, like, you know, they are EDP, but फिर भी they don't last really that long, and the dupes smell the same exact और थोड़ा आगे पीछे, but they last really long. Okay, not थोड़ा मोड़ा difference, like really this is just. The notes of this is orange blossom, bergamot, and amber. And to be honest, I don't smell any amber. Sorry, any orange blossom, like, you know, orangish citrusy fragrance. Instead, I relate to this. Okay, this is the dupe. Okay, I was talking about. It is truffle cream with chocolate and coconut flour, and it is from the brand So Unique. I lost the cap. And this is from the brand So Unique. It's really same. I got this in the previous year, and I got this year. So okay, I relate to this. It smells like white chocolate, yes. It smells like coconut flour, yes. And I don't relate to any orange blossom or bergamot, but never mind. Okay, the description on Victoria's Secret site says that goes through the seasons with notes of crisp pear, salted petals, and iced coffee. Iced coffee? Not at all. But yeah, this is a good one. I was regretting kind of, because I have the dupe which stays longer, and this is like what, thrice the price. Yeah. So okay, here ends all my body mist collection, and अब शुरू होता है my EDPs, my perfume. So the first one is the little black dress. Okay, it says a modern classic of sparkling Italian lemon oil and elegant jasmine essence, and embellished with luxurious sandalwood. This finishing touch makes the little black dress perfect for every occasion. Not every occasion. It is more of like party going, as the name suggests. It's kind of mature scent. Not very mature. Okay, a teenager can also wear. So these were the notes, and it's really good. I use it बहुत ही बचा के, okay, because I think it's too good for any occasion. Too good. Last time I wore it on my birthday, so you can think. Next one is my most complimented. Okay, most complimented from Plum, and it is in Hawaiian Rumba. And this is my second bottle, and I think now I'm going to order the big one, not the travel size one. And you know what? This is really unique. This is really unique and not like any other. It has top notes of pear, mandarin, and lychee, middle notes of gardenia, freesia, and magnolia, and base notes of white musk, vanilla, and musk. So you know what? Hawaiian Rumba. It sounds really beachy name, and yes, it is a summer perfume. It is, you can hop on the beach. Never mind. So it has base note of, you know, जब ये एकदम settle हो जाता है ना, the base note is really good. The top note, yeah, it's good, but the base note is really good. You know, when it completely settles into you, it's really good. This perfume has grown on me. It's really good. I'm going to buy a third bottle of this. So the next one is also from Plum, and this is Trippin Mimosa. It is very citrusy, very orangey. It's like तुम orange के tub से आए हो. Not completely orange, but you can tell कि it's a mix of orange and lemon, and if you are a fan of citrus fragrances, you should go for this. Very clean smell, very summery fragrance. So the notes of this is grapefruit. Top notes of grapefruit, big strawberry, passion fruit, and middle notes of red berries, peony, and vanilla orchid. Base notes of musk, woody notes, and oak moss. Woody उतना पता नहीं चलता है. And the dominant notes is, yes, grapefruit and passion fruit. Okay, so the next one is also from Plum, and it is Plum Body Lovin का Smokin Vanilla. लिखा नहीं है Smokin Vanilla, but yes, काफ़ी लोग को ये बहुत पसंद आता है. I've heard reviews of this that they really liked it, they loved it, and they found one of the best vanilla fragrances during winter. And yeah, it smells really cozy, really warm. So the notes of this is top notes of honeysuckle, woody, middle notes vanilla, balsam, base note white musk and amber. And the next one is from Nykaa, and it is in the range Moa. That is how they spell. It's a French word, and it has notes of citrus, aromatic, and fruity woody notes. So it is a clean girl scent, simple, and very citrusy, very fresh, and it stays really long, 4 to 5 hours, or maybe more, 6 to 7 hours. And this is the first I got from Nykaa, and isse pehle I did not had any. And this is the next, also from Nykaa, and it is I don't really like it because it's not really my scent. It's very heavy and very mature scent. This has notes of zesty blackcurrant and bergamot with sensuous floral notes, and is also infused with a hint of patchouli and vanilla. Yes, patchouli is really prominent here, and it's really heavy. Okay, it's really heavy. It's definitely not for summers. So the next perfume is Pocket Perfumes. This I got from Blur, and this is in Breakfast in Bed, and this is Fresh Cut Flowers on your pulse points, and you smell like rose, brown sugar, patchouli. The next one is Breakfast in Bed, and I really like it. Okay, love it, love it. It's in the notes of coffee and vanilla, and it's like Coffee Bite or Copico. It's exactly the same. And yeah, if you are a fan of coffee or like chocolate fragrances, this is the one, guys. The next one I have from Sugandhiko, and it's in the range Falaknuma, and another one was there. Okay, so, and the name are really pretty. Okay, really pretty. Noor, this is Nazakat, and this is Nirvana. This is the Nirvana one is unisex, and these two are really feminine. These are for women. It smells heavenly. You can pair it with your, it goes well with traditionals, but you can try on your westerns. But if you wear a kurti, a really pretty kurti, and you wear this with it, heavenly combination, heavenly. Its primary notes are peony, jasmine, and vanilla, and the top notes is mandarin, jasmine, and linden blossom. Middle note peony, narcissus, hyacinth, and the base note is amber, vanilla, musk. Okay, this is kind of floral but also heavy floral, and yes, jasmine, mandarin, a bit of tangy hint you'll get, and it's super gorgeous. I'm telling you, even the name suggests It's so gorgeous and pretty. And the next one is Nazakat. Wow. This is also a good one, and its prominent notes are green tea, jasmine, and oak moss. And the top notes are green tea, orange, lemon, bergamot, mint. Middle note narcissus, carnation, jasmine, and base amber, oak moss, white musk. It's gorgeous. Okay, it smells gorgeous. It makes you feel gorgeous. And the next one, the unisex one, is Nirvana. Primary notes of rose, carnation, and amber. And if you talk about top notes, it has rose, lotus, melon, chamomile. Heart note, carnation, peony, maggot. And base, amber, musk, and sandalwood. So the next one I got from West Side, and this is Studio West Mykonos. And this is unisex perfume. And it is very strong citrusy. Okay, summery but very strong. The intensity is really high, and they describe it as aqueous, citrus, and pear mixed with white flower and rose middle notes, and base notes of amber, balsamic, sandalwood, and musk. And yeah, men and women both can have it. And the next one is also from Studio West, and this is in blackcurrant, red fruits, rhubarb, jasmine, sambac, vanilla, and caramel. I guess this is very cliche fragrance for women. Many of you can find it. It's not that unique or rare, and something you'll be like wow, or like oh my god, which perfume is this? It's mediocre. And this is the last from Rene Bloom. This is a dupe of Carolina Herrera Good Girl. You know, the heat perfume. And so its top note is almond, middle notes of tuberose, sandalwood, and jasmine, and base note of vanilla, cocoa, and tonka. And this is the last from So Unique, and this is vanilla candy, sugar, and marshmallow. And this is the last from So Unique, and this is vanilla candy, sugar, and marshmallow. This is very sweet. Okay, very sweet, very vanilla, and it's a gourmand scent. Okay, so I forgot to review these two ether, and this is Choco Musk, and this Choco Musk is typical chocolate. Okay, typical vanilla chocolate. It's like you stepped out of a bakery, of a chocolate based bakery, especially too. And the second one is from Twistedly. It is in the red cherry. Maybe this is not the one for me, but yeah, I mean, for people who like cherry fragrances, this is a good one. And I got it from Amazon, and it's pretty good, but it kind of smells like cough syrup. And the second one is very good. Trust me, this is the choco fragrance you need to wear in winters. And everyone, literally every single person asks me which perfume or which fragrance you are wearing, tell me about it. Because I mean, seriously, even I apply it, I'm like, I want to eat myself. Like, this is all about the fragrances that I own. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next.